Assalamu alaikum everyone, we are Scott Consultants and we are back with another lecture of Learn Excel. In previous lectures we have studied illustrations, add-ins, charts, and insert tab in menu bar. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the sparklines. It's a very simple lecture, just like the charts that you've discussed, but they have different purpose. Now I'm going to show you how sparklines work. Now I'm going to click here, for example, column, sparkline, will give me this chart, data range and location range. For data range, I will have to select the data. For example, I click here and I will select this data and I'll go back, click back here. I will select the location range. I will click here. I will select the location, this. I'll go back. I'll click OK. It will show me the sparkline column chart for this column. Now it has so many options in design tab. You can either change the color, you can mark color with high-low points, you can add sparkline colors. For example, you can change the axis, show axis, data axis type. If you click these options, you will get so many options you want to use. They're used rarely. You can see there are more options here: high point, low point, negative point, if there is a negative number here. I'll go back here, negative point, see it's slightly highlighted, first point, last point. And similarly, you can edit data by clicking this tab. You can change the location range and data range and location range. Whatever seems fit to you. You can change the chart type to line chart. Similarly, you can change or add colors to it, and you use all the options for it. And lastly, there is an option win-loss chart. It's like 1 and 0 kind of a chart. For example, you have option of 1, 0, so you can use it for that purpose. So see, the positive is 1, negative is 0. That is it for this chart purpose. Now there's one last thing I'm going to tell you about sparklines, that you can't delete it. See, if I click, or I'll show you here, you can't delete it. To clear it, you have to, you see in the design tab, you have this clear option. If you click it, it will give you clear selected sparklines, clear sparkline groups. Just click the clear group and it will clear it out. And that's it for today's lecture, and I hope you like our lecture today. If you like our lecture, kindly like, subscribe, or share our page. Thank you so much.